What's up guys? I am back in KL after my long trip in Ipoh and working with two cars in Ipoh. So today, before I start, I would like to apologize that I'm not posting a lot of videos recently. Reason being, I am really busy and I had too much going on, so some of the cars are quite confidential cars that cannot be revealed to the public, so I didn't film at all. But today I'm going to meet a client at Horus Tints. It's the tints place that I sent one of the Miata that I did earlier last few months ago. Oh, that's a tight fit. Yeah, for the Miata for the tint. So today I am going to meet up with a client there that is driving a GLA250 Mercedes. So stay tuned guys, and I will show you guys the process and the cinematic sequence of the tint job. Yo, what's up guys? So I am back from Horus after the tints. My client is very satisfied with the tint job. Everything is within the government's legal specs, and if you notice, there is a slightly greenish tone to it. That is when the sunlight hits onto the tints and it will become slightly darker, because Horus is actually a photochromic tint, full ceramic, and really high quality with a lifetime warranty guys. So if you guys want a special price for the tints, PM me on my social media, on my Instagram. You can direct message me. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here today. Oh yeah, I might change the posting of videos to maybe a video every 2 days or a video every 3 days, because recently I've been really busy. So even that I have a few videos that I wanted to show you guys, but I haven't had the time to edit it. So anyways, stay tuned guys, and we will see what happens. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon.